What is Dogecoin? Two guys, Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus, who loved the famous Doge internet meme, wanted to make it famous. So they created a copy of an existing coin called Litecoin and tweaked it to give a fun dog-based vibe. This process of making a copy of an existing crypto coin and tweaking it to create a new product is called a fork. This fork called Dogecoin was never meant to be taken seriously or have a huge market cap. It was created by crypto enthusiasts just to have fun. Dogecoin was used mainly on Reddit for tipping, as a token of appreciation for their efforts. And that's how Dogecoin became famous on Reddit. After the whole scene of Redditors pumping GameStop in the last quarter of 2020, Dogecoin became popular again, especially because meme crypto lord Elon Musk started tweeting about it. Other internet personalities like Snoop Dogg followed this by posting about Dogecoin too. And then this meme crypto coin blew out of proportion.